Welcome to Ron's Garden. I generally post over at Ron's Archery, where I'm primarily posting YouTube videos of my archery experiences as a new archer. With the virus going on and the stores being depleted of many of their supplies, I decided this is probably a good year to set up a garden in the backyard. So here I am. I've already turned over the dirt, digging, and now I'm raking it out, trying to get some of the grass and weeds out. Fortunately, because of where I live, we don't have much in the way of grass, because if you turn off the water, everything dies, except the weeds. The weeds continue to grow. So here I am, for the first time in about 30 years that I've lived here, starting a garden in the backyard. If you're wondering why I have boards nailed to the fence back there, I did that all the way around the yard. I have the back and the side brand new fence. The fence you're looking at there belongs to the neighbor. They don't keep it up. And I've hit the pickets a few times on my new fence with the arrows. When I do, it splits the boards. So I started nailing up all these pieces of scrap over the 2x4s that run across the fence, and that way if an arrow hits, it doesn't split the picket and it doesn't pass through the slats. I did have one incident way back last summer when I fired an arrow from this back corner toward the front, and the arrow disappeared. It had actually gone between the slats, and I found it across the street in a neighbor's front yard. It scared the daylights out of me. I immediately started putting boards up all around the fence. Now, in a few videos after this one, you're going to see that those boards that are parallel to the garden here have been replaced with roofing shingles. I buy packs of they're about $25 a pack, and those are stapled to the fence. It keeps people from seeing into the yard. It keeps the arrows from passing through the pickets, and it looks a lot better. Now here I am, working in the yard. It's not really cold out. Notice I'm wearing short sleeves. One day I'm out there in the morning and I'm wearing long sleeve shirt. By noon I'm probably down to short sleeve. Late in the afternoon I may go switch over to shorts. And then later in the evening it turns cold again. I come in and have to turn the heater on.